Hello everyone. Today I am creating the robot.txt file dynamically using Vuejs and Nuxt project using best practices to follow in Nuxt. So, firstly, what is the robot.txt? Robot.txt is a file which has instructions for search engines, robots to tell them that this page will be crawl or that page will not crawl. These instructions are specified by allowing or disallowing the behavior of certain bots. So if we will see the robot.txt file, then that will be inside our project. And then if we will go to the root directory of our project, then you will find out the robot.txt file. So there you will find out the instructions of the robots. So robots by initial seems to be complicated, but syntax, computer language is quite simple. So these are the different i- definitions of the robot.txt file. So there you can find out like how why the robot.txt file is important for our project, how it will provide our SEO support. These things are there in this website. Like there you can find out the details of robot.txt files. So I will put the link of this website in my YouTube channel, where you can find out the details of this robot.txt files and what are the different pros and cons of robot.txt files while you will create your project using Vue and Nuxt. So let me start create my robot.txt project, where you can create your new project. So I am just creating the new project within folder. So we have command to create the project, that is yarn create Nuxt app, and then I need to provide the app name, robots SEO, and I will take only the default options to creating this app. So it is creating the project name, script type yarn, UI HTML, Axios, ESLint, none, yes, hosting with the Node.js, JSON, you get username, be known, then it will create your next project. So I'm just taking the default options because I am just creating the robot.txt file robot, so that will be easy for you to compare the production and dev environment. Now if you want to like meanwhile if you want to create your static file, then you can create your that will be utilized in different environment. Like if you want to utilize your robot.txt file on dev, QA and production environment, then you can just create that robot.txt file and paste it in the static file. Then that will be utilized on each and every environment. But sometimes some user don't want to allow SEOs to run on the dev and QA environment. So we need to create that dynamic file in the project. So let me, so here we can create on the local, we can start if you want to start as a local environment, then we can say robot.seo, just create, just go on that directory. So you can go to the robot.seo directly, just run yarn dev. But if you want to run the production, then you need to run the yarn build first, then you can go to the yarn start. So I'm just running the yarn dev. So if I will go to the, so it will give this welcome page of Nuxt application. So if I will check the robot.txt file in the directory, then it will try to find out that robot.txt file in your directory. But if it will not find out, then it will just give that this page is not there in the in your project. So it's running, but not coming here. So let me create the robot.txt file. So firstly, what I need to do, we have one package that is Nuxtjs robots robots at the rate 2.5.0. So why I'm taking this package, because we have this package is used for our Nuxt, because I'm not running this on the Nuxtjs, so that's why I'm taking this package. So if you will run on the Nuxtjs, you just take the robot.3 versions. So I'm just adding this package robot.nuxt.robot. So if you will go to the packages, then you can find out this package will be added in the dependencies. Now what you need to do, so you just need to add this in the add robot package in your modules. So I am here adding this here I need to add the Nuxt.js underscore robots. And one more settings you need to do, you need to write your robot description here. So there I already created the descriptions for different environments. So you can just check this, just copy and paste here. So you here it will find out if you want to run this application on production, so it will disallow all the pages. So I'm just uh, it will allow all the pages, only disallow search. So if I will write allow, that will be star. Now it will allow this all pages, just disallow the search. So let me save it. Now what I need to do, uh, I need to run the yarn dev, and let me check if that will work. So now it is working, because previously it was not working where there was some empty page, but now it is working. You can find out the user agent, and this is disallowing all the pages. And now I'm going to create the production build. So what are the steps to create the production build? Yarn build. So it is building, and then I need to create the yarn. I need to run the yarn generate as well. Yarn generate. So this the generate command will generate a dist file in your project, and there it will create the robot.txt file as well. So robot.txt file will be similar to your setting which you have provided in the settings. Now you can run this project using yarn start. If you will go to this directory again, so you will find out the details of this page. Then if you will go to the robot.txt file, so it is the production settings are there in the page. So the user agent is star, then this allow search page and allow all pages. So these this is the way you can create your robot.txt file uh, on different environment dynamically. So if you want to generate this file through the pipeline, so you only copy this robot.txt file in the in your client folder. Like this is the client folder. If you want to generate your uh, if you want to generate this file on the productions, so only through the pipeline you can copy this folder to your uh, client folder, and then this will work according to uh, your robot.txt file. So thank you. Now only you can subscribe my channels for more updated videos, more challenging videos. Thank you very much.